The sheer volume of content on the platform means competition for attention is absolute. You can spend weeks producing a high-quality video, but if the packaging fails to grab a viewer's attention instantly, that effort effectively never reaches an audience. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a finished, highly clickable title drafted for your next upload. We will construct this title using 3 specific architectural layers. We start with the style, add a reason for the viewer to engage, and then define the specific audience. To follow along, you'll need the core topic of your next video and a blank document or a piece of paper to record each step. Open that document now and visualize the main subject of your next upload before we move to the first layer. A title acts as the psychological gateway for your content. It dictates whether your video exists to a potential viewer or remains invisible in the feed. Step 1 is selecting the fundamental style of the title. The first category is the how-to or tutorial style. This sets a clear expectation that the video provides a logical solution to a practical problem. Alternatively, a story-driven style uses narrative to generate curiosity, signaling that the value lies in the resolution of a mystery. Look at your topic and commit to one of these 2 styles. Write it at the top of your document as a foundation. Avoid merging these. Mixing an instructional tone with a narrative mystery creates a disjointed expectation, leading viewers to scroll past. Selecting a strict style first ensures the viewer knows exactly what mental state to adopt before they even consider clicking. Step 2 requires adding a tangible reason for the viewer to click. You have 4 primary angles to choose from: solve a problem, fix a mistake, reveal a surprise, or reach an ambition. Attempting to include multiple reasons creates visual clutter and dilutes the core value proposition. Select exactly one of these 4 angles and write down the specific value you are promising. For example, applying the mistake angle to a growth tutorial, our draft becomes how to grow a YouTube channel, fix the 0 views mistake. This specific reason acts as the active mechanism that instantly converts a scrolling viewer into an interested one. Step 3 is calling out your specific audience. Targeting a broad, general audience often results in low engagement. When a title tries to speak to everyone, it fails to connect deeply with anyone. You can integrate an audience callout using one of these 3 categories: their current experience level, their identity or professional role, or their specific goal. Identify which category best fits your viewer and add that specific demographic to your document. Naming the demographic reduces hesitation. It confirms to the viewer that the content was designed for their specific circumstances. To assemble the title, we start with making bread. The style framework transforms this into how to bake sourdough bread. We add a specific problem: fix flat loaves. Finally, adding the audience callout, the finished title becomes how to bake sourdough for beginners, fix flat loaves. Combine the 3 components you've written down into one cohesive sentence on your page. This process replaces guesswork with a repeatable structure, turning a loose idea into a compelling invitation for the viewer to engage. Examine your completed draft. The structure should feel significantly more focused than your initial topic. To find the most effective version, write out 3 slight variations by swapping in different reasons or audience descriptors from your notes. Select the variation that sounds the most natural, paste it into your upload page, and publish the video. This chart tracks the impact of clear title alignment. When you combine style, reason, and audience, you improve the click-through rate, which signals the platform to distribute your video to more viewers.